to other block. OB, when you see someone using OB, it means what? An order block. Are you getting it? When you see someone using OB, it means an order block. And when you see CC, which means what? Sponsor candle, which is the last what? Buy candle for the sell. So this was the last what? Buy candle that took out what? The liquidity above this previous high, the buy candle. Then when it comes to the bearish market also, is the last what? Bearish candle. That's what happened, which took out liquidity from the equal lows or what? Double bottom before what? This buy candle happened. Are you on track? Okay. So we have two types of what? Okay, good. We have two types of what? Order block. We have the bullish order block and we have the bearish order block as well. So when we talk of the bearish order block, let's start with the bullish order block. Types of order block. Have the bullish order block. And the bearish order block. So these are the two types of what? Order block that we have. These are the two types of order blocks we have in the market. Right, so the bullish order block is the order block that happens what? In the in the bearish market. When we are in the bearish market, then you see what? This over here. So this becomes your what? Your bullish order block. Then the one that takes out the buy side, the buy stop liquidity, is what we call our bearish order block. So most of the time what happens, what? You see price trading back inside, then continue to the downside. Right. So the bullish order block is the last what? Buy. The bullish order block is the last what? Sell to a buy candle. Are you getting it? The last sell to a buy candle. So which is the last bearish candle movement before what? The bullish momentum that break market structure higher. Are you getting it? So let me take it again. It's the last bearish candle movement before the bullish movement that break the market structure higher. So when you identify this, it represents what? A high possibility of holding the price when the price returns to it. So what it basically means, what? When you identify something like this, then the possibility of price holding it when it returns to it is very high. So let's say after price, we had this market structure swing high over here, and you see a break of the structure to the upside, and price will trace back to tap this other block and move higher. So this is what's for the bullish order block. Is the bullish order block, is the bearish order block. So bullish order block. have bearish order block. So bearish order block rests to the opposite of the buy. Bullish order block also gives us what a bullish buy to the upside. So let me give you some examples in the chart. So as I've drawn over here, let's just use this. And you see what price break this previous swing high. So we have this break over here. Price return to what, tap this down the 50% or what, that price tap what, 50%, retrace 50% of what the bearish candle and move to the upside, or what, 100% and move to the upside. I get it. All right, but before I dive in more, we have a tool that we use, which I would want every one of you to know. We have what we call game box. So when you come over here, on your left hand side over here, you'll be able to identify this tool over here. Click over here, you see game box over here. Just tie it, click on it, bring it out. Then what? Let's do the settings. So bring it out. You come to style. When you come to style, we have the 50%. We have these colors. The colors are the prices that we'll be using is what, the 0%, the 1%, which is 100%, and the what, the middle one, which is the 50%. So you can what, customize it in your way, in your own way. The color that you prefer, you can customize it. So I have the 50% to be orange, the 1% to be what, to be gray. I have this one black over here. Let's say deep gray over there. Right, so this are what the levels on the game box that we'll be using. So we can choose to what, since I know that what this place over here, when I take it and I draw it on my chart, I know that what